Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy recipe. Broken wheat 1 cup, rice 2 tablespoon, moong dal 2 tablespoon, red dal 2 tablespoon, chana dal 2 tablespoon, urad dal 2 tablespoon, barley 2 tablespoon, almonds 10 to 15. Rinse and soak for 2 hours. Meanwhile, in a pressure cooker, oil half cup, whole spices, shazira half tablespoon, chopped onion 1 cup, green chilies 4, salt half tablespoon, fry until changes color. Now add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, boneless mutton half kg, saute for 2 minutes. Now add chopped tomato 1 cup, garam masala 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, mix everything, yogurt 4 tablespoon, coriander leaves, water 2 cups, pepper whole, pressure cook for 5 whistles. Soaked the wheat. Mutton is tender. Remove the mutton. Keep aside. Soaked wheat and pulses. Give a nice mix. Salt 1 tablespoon. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. Shred the mutton. Now blend. Mash well with the help of blender. Now add shredded mutton. Add little water. Continuously stir for 30 minutes. Ghee 10 tablespoon. Give a nice mix. Ready to serve. Now add fried onion on top. If you want, you can add fried cashew as well. Lemon on top. Enjoy yummy halim. Ghee on top. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.